Finding Peace Within. A journey to mental wellness. Imagine a life where you greet each day with a sense of calm and purpose, where your mind is a sanctuary of peace, not a battleground of worry. That's the power of prioritizing your mental health. In this video, we'll explore simple yet powerful daily habits that can significantly boost your mental well-being. These aren't quick fixes, but rather building blocks for a stronger, more resilient you. Get ready to discover the transformative impact of mindfulness, movement, and meaningful connections. It's time to invest in yourself, to cultivate a life filled with joy, purpose, and lasting peace. Mindful mornings. Awaken your inner calm. Imagine this. The alarm goes off, but instead of hitting snooze, you take a few moments for yourself. Begin with just 5 minutes of mindfulness. Find a comfortable seat, close your eyes, and turn your attention to your breath. As you inhale, feel the gentle rise of your chest. As you exhale, release any tension you're holding. If meditation isn't your thing, try journaling. These small acts of mindfulness create a ripple effect throughout your day, helping you navigate challenges with more ease and clarity. Move your body, free your mind. Movement is medicine for both body and mind. Start small, start where you are. A brisk walk, a dance party, or gentle yoga. Find what brings you joy and makes you feel alive. Notice how even a short burst of activity can shift your energy and leave you feeling refreshed. Fueling your mind. The power of nutrition. The food we consume nourishes not only our bodies, but also our minds. Incorporate brain-boosting foods into your diet: fatty fish, vibrant fruits and vegetables, and whole grains. Treat yourself with kindness and respect by making conscious food choices that support your overall health and vitality. In today's hyper-connected world, it's easy to feel tethered to our devices. Give yourself the gift of a digital detox. Set aside specific times to disconnect from screens and reconnect with yourself, nature, and loved ones. You might be surprised by how much more present and at ease you feel when you create space for stillness and disconnection. Humans are social creatures wired for connection. Nurturing strong social bonds is essential for our mental and emotional well-being. Make time for face-to-face interactions with loved ones. Investing in relationships is an investment in your own happiness and well-being. As the day winds down, create a calming evening routine that signals to your mind and body that it's time to rest. Dim the lights, put away electronic devices, and engage in activities that promote relaxation. Create a sanctuary for sleep by ensuring your bedroom is cool, dark, and quiet. Make rest a priority, a non-negotiable part of your daily routine. Cultivating a healthier, happier mind doesn't require grand gestures, but small, consistent actions. From mindful mornings to the joy of movement, the nourishment of wholesome foods, and the peace of digital detox, each habit supports your mental well-being. Incorporate these practices into your routine, one step at a time, and witness their transformative power. Your journey to a calmer, more resilient you begins today. Share your thoughts in the comments below and subscribe for more tips on living a mindful and fulfilling life.